Fasting, it's a lifetime development. Fasting music, cooking. Yeah, it's fasting, I'm fasting, I'm cooking. I freestyle again, you and me, we're the same. Yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware, I'm the man I'm meant to be. Yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware of the things I did to me. Yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware. Kama ni ngumu najikakamua, kama inaniraisi inabidi najua, na kama umeniona nimetulia, wejua kuna kitu inaniambia, kuna kitu inanipea direction, kuna kitu inaniambia I should mention the secrets that hidden behind your backbiter, kuja kunirarua, lakini najijua, na kuna penye najikakamua. Yes, I'm aware. Yes, I'm aware. I'm supposed to make a win. Yes, I'm aware. Yes, I'm aware. My 7 chakras tend to open them up. Kuningine nimezima lakini nimefungua sahizi. I don't wish to sin against myself. I'm just doing to regulate. I can get into deep shit if I don't do it. That's what I think in my state right now, but I'm evolving. I reach where I become smooth state. I'm flowing, that's guaranteed. Let me tell you, I fought for me, I bet for me and my team. So fasting, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna show the world that we're meant here to sing for the generation that comes before the time of the sins of our forefathers? We're cleaning and dividing the ties that are meant in our lives, and we're winning as we should, as we should. Yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware, I'm the man I'm meant to be. Yes, I'm aware, yes, I'm aware. I'm aware I'm supposed to get a win. I'm aware of the things I did to me. I am God and I am evil, so the power belongs to me. My crown chakra, please give me my needs. Open up my heart, let me feel the pain, the joy, the anxiety, the fear. Nakaninuma, let me know. Naendelea kujikaza na kujikakamua. I cannot leave me alone, cause unajipenda tu sana na nimeingia kwa relationship kama self-care routine, na bado kama ni kujaribu, tujaribu, lakini si sana, kiasi. Kumbuka tunafukua shaka pasi, kumbuka tunafaa hot kama risasi, kumbuka tunafaa kulindwa fuasi, kumbuka kuna temu utakuwa mzazi, kumbuka tunafaa tuwashangaze buda, kumbuka tunafaa tupande ngazi. So that is my younger self fasting. What do you want me to do to reach there? Niambie fasting, unataka nifanye nini? Nichore nini? Nifanye nini sahi? Fasting, what will you do in my shoes fasting? Big champ. Itajipa. Usilose hope kijana. wacha wabonge mambo yake, ni wacha wabonge, lakini itajipa, itakam kujipa. Always rise. Hata wakuke mara ngapi na ujue you are God and you are evil. Sidanganya na religion.